Welcome, in front of me is an ALCATEL 1X, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, let's go into the settings, and from here scroll down to, just search for it, I think it's going to be easier, storage. There we go. Storage, and you will find here your SD cards. Tap on it, and once it takes you to the content of it, tap on the three dots and go into storage settings, where at the top right here you will find format option. Tap on that, and then you'll have a message that performing this will remove all the data from it. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, you want to back it up before, otherwise you will lose it. But assuming you have done this, or well, you don't really care, tap on erase and format, and the process will begin. And it's a fairly quick one, only takes a couple seconds. And once it's finished, as it is right now, tap on done, and you're finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.